Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree. This is Balancing Life with Bree, and this is going to be a car vlog. I apologize in advance for my glare on my glasses. I'm going to get my eyelashes done right now. Well, first I'm going to go drop something off at the post office, and then I'm going to go get my eyelashes done. I wanted to update you guys. So my stuff from Kill Crew came in. I said I was going to show you guys what it looked like, but I got a pair of shorts and a hat and a t-shirt, and the t-shirt fit and it looks really, really nice. I'll try to wear it to the gym and film this week. And then the shorts were just like a little too small. I wanted a more baggier fit, so I'm exchanging them. And then I didn't like the hat, so I'm exchanging the hat for a different shirt. So I have my boxes next to me going back, and then the post office is right next to my lash place. So I'm trying to kill like two birds with one stone. So that is happening. I know a couple of you guys asked me about my eyelashes, so here they are, just so you know. My eyelashes, I get eyelash extensions. I plan to get them taken off after my wedding in October, just because I've had them on literally for like 4 years and I don't even remember my face without them. So I kind of just like want to give my eyes a break and go natural, but I also love having them. So if you are interested in eyelashes, just like comment down questions below and I'll try to give you like more information. But basically what I do is I get something called hybrid, which means she'll put a single classic lash, like one lash per lash, or she'll do like, and she'll do a cluster, which is like multiple lashes that go like on to one of your lashes. So one of your lashes, they'll glue multiple lashes onto said lash. So I have to wear my glasses when I get my lashes done, because they don't recommend you wear contacts while you're doing it, just because of like the fumes and stuff. They don't want it to get in your eyes. So yeah, I like having my eyelashes done. They are high maintenance for me. Well, I'm high maintenance when it comes to them, because I like to get my eyelashes done every 2 weeks, because I feel like they don't look right if they're not done every 2 weeks, even though these look like perfectly fine right now. I feel like I don't even really need to get a fill, but I have it as scheduled. So yeah, that's that. It's so freaking hot outside. I don't know about you guys, but I'm looking at my thing right now and it says 90 degrees. But I live in like northern Kentucky / Cincinnati area, and literally the humidity is so bad. It is so bad. So yeah, I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna try not to sweat to death, and I will check in with you guys later. I'm gonna try to convince Scotty to cook chicken on the grill tonight, but he's actually golfing for work. I feel like every time I talk about him, he's golfing. He loves golf, but he's golfing at a work outing right now, and it's so hot outside. He's probably not gonna want to cook on a hot grill, but maybe I'll try it. We shall see. I'll check in later. Hey, I am back from getting my lashes done, so let's just show you what they look like. Here they are. They're brown. I get brown lashes, just an FYI, and these are like volume, so they're in between classic, no, they're hybrid. They're in between classics and volume, so I get hybrid. So there they are in all their glory. These are going back on because I'm going to go over what I'm going to make for dinner. So I have these chicken breasts. So I think there's 2 in here. There might be 3. I'm not 100% sure. Either way, I'm going to be making them both. These are just Tyson boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And I'm going to use this marinade from Kroger. This is an urban garlic marinade. And got my little baggie here. And I'm just going to put my chicken in there, my little baggie in. I'm going to beat the chicken a little bit to like try to thin it out. And then I'm going to try to grill it. We'll see. I'm also going to make this little potato casserole thing that Scott's mom makes, and it's so good. We just had it this weekend, and when we went to Kroger yesterday, I was like, I have to get this. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that as well. So let me get this stuff started. Okay guys, so I want to preface this by saying that this is not a healthy recipe at all. You can tell by the big stick of butter I just put in there, but it's so stinking good. So I'm just going to get into it and show you exactly what I'm doing. So first I preheated my oven to 350 degrees, and then I sprayed the bottom of my pan with some Pam spray. So that's your first step. Second step is adding 1/3 cup of butter into a pan. And then you're going to add about a half a cup of onions, and you're going to cook that down until they're pretty cooked. I use frozen onions because it's easier. Then you're going to sprinkle in some salt and pepper. I just did this by like my eyes, but you can put more, you can put less. It's whatever you decide to do, whatever your heart desires. Next, I'm going to take a can of cream of chicken soup. This is the 98% like fat-free one. I don't know, whichever one was like the healthier one. It's the Kroger version of the Campbell's Healthy Request cream of chicken soup. So you go ahead and add that and mix it all in until it gets all incorporated. And then you're gonna add sour cream. So I use light sour cream. You can use full fat sour cream. And you use 2 cups of that sour cream. And then you're gonna blend in 2 cups of shredded cheese. So I, again, used the light shredded cheese, but you can use whichever kind you want. After that, you're gonna take an entire bag of frozen potatoes. I use the little hash brown potatoes. You're gonna take the entire bag of frozen hash browns and you're gonna put that in the mix as well. Then you're gonna mix everything up and you're going to layer it into a pan. After you have it all layered in a pan, I took about 3/4 of a little sleeve of Ritz crackers. I crushed those up and then I spread those all across the top of the dish. I put that in the oven after it preheated to 350 degrees and I baked it for about 40 minutes. And let me tell you guys, this stuff is so friggin' good. Hello guys, it is Tuesday. I'm going to show you what I'm bringing back in my lunchbox really quick. It's literally nothing crazy. Got my lunchbox right here. So let's start. Water. My water is going to go directly in my lunchbox. A Coke Zero. Love me a Coke Zero. I already have these in there. They always stay in there. These Blue Diamond honey roasted almonds. Those are if I'm still hungry after I finish everything that I'm eating. This is for a coworker. This is for a coworker. It's that cheesy potato bake stuff that I made. I'm taking a little bit for myself. I have some grapes and blueberries in here. Aldi has really good fruit, just an FYI. I had like never really shopped at Aldi before, but we went to Aldi and I bought a bunch of fruit and it's lasting. I feel like what I buy at Kroger is dead, like disgusting in 2 days, and Aldi's holding out strong. A Chobani Flip. This is the coconut caramel cookie one. These are seriously so good. They're 170 calories. 170 calories. And then some Ritz peanut butter crackers if I'm still hungry. So that is what's in here. I'm going to get going. I will check in with you guys. Maybe not until tomorrow. I have a volleyball game tonight. It's actually the tournament. So we might be playing 3 games and it's 88 degrees outside. So I probably won't feel like filming after I get home. So yeah, I may or may not check in until tomorrow, but let's see where it goes. Hello guys, it is the next day. It is Wednesday, and let me tell you, your girl is exhausted. So it was like 90-ish, 94-ish degrees yesterday, and we played 3 sand volleyball games. 3. I am seriously exhausted still, and it's the next day, but we came in first, and I'll put our picture right here. Full transparency, I did not eat dinner last night. Couldn't even tell you, like I don't have a recipe, I don't have anything, because I didn't eat dinner. We got down there at like 6 o'clock, and we didn't leave. Our last game didn't start until 9:40. So we didn't leave until like 10:20, and by the time I got home, I was so sweaty. It was disgusting. I was like wet. I was like, ugh. It was so bad. But we won, and that's so exciting. And I wanted to fill you guys in on that because I'm super excited. So right now it's later on in the afternoon on Wednesday. I'm getting ready to take Rex to a training, and then when we get back, I'm not 100% sure what we're gonna have for dinner. I'm assuming 3 ways, but we will find out. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update because I'm very excited about it, and I'll check in with you later. Hello, it is Thursday right now. I didn't really film a lot yesterday. I did like a quick little sweep of my my dinner, but that was it. But I didn't want to fill you guys in. I told you guys a couple videos ago that I was reading a book called The Only One Left, Last One Left, The Only One Left. I'll put it right here, by Riley Sager, I believe is the name. And I saw it on TikTok. A lot of people said it was really good, and I did not like it. I don't know what it is about this specific author. So they also wrote The House Across the Lake, which I also thought was just like mid. A lot of people like that one too, but I don't know. I feel like the writing style of the author is, if you split the book up into 4 parts, 3/4 of it is just like really slow character building, which I appreciate a good character build, but 3/4 of it is literally just like character building, and then the last quarter of the book is every single twist and turn you could possibly imagine, and it feels very rushed to me, and I don't like books that are just like super rushed, but that's just my personal opinion. I don't know. Comment down below if you've read it and if you like it or not, because I like, you know, people like different things, and that's fine. Something that I might think was like mid, you guys might think was awesome, and something that I think is awesome, you might think is mid, so who knows. But yeah, finished that. That was kind of disappointing, but I'm getting ready to start the new Housemaid. So there's like the Housemaid Secret, and I believe this one's called The Housemaid is Watching. I'm actually going to be reading that on my Kindle because I have Kindle Unlimited. So that is the next book I'm going to read. I'm very excited because I love The Housemaid and I love The Housemaid is Watching. So fingers crossed that this one is just as good. Again, comment down below if you've read these. I love talking and like interacting about books because I love reading. It's like one of my guilty pleasures is like I love to read. So yeah. Also, I've been thinking in the back of my head maybe doing like books with Brie type situation, to where we do, or like book club with Brie, and we do a book club and like a book every month or every 2 months, and then I can go live and then we could talk about the book. I think that would be really fun. Be like an interactive live book club. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know and I'll try to set that up. I read all different kinds of books, ranging like literally all different kinds of books. So I think it would be kind of fun if we all like put genres down below and like specific books, and then we put it in a generator and the generator just like picked for us. Or I can pick the books, either or, it doesn't really matter to me, but I think that sounds kind of fun. So comment down below if you think that that sounds interesting. And I think I'm going to wrap this video up here as well because it's already Thursday and I want to get a video up for you guys, so I can't blab for like too long or like show too many other things. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel already. It only helps me grow and I really appreciate it. And if you made it this far, please put a heart down at the bottom so I know and I can thank you for it. And I will see you guys next time.